every Saturday morning.
And welcome to Dream and Draw, our weekly series where we dream about what architecture can be.
And draw it.
Welcome to Season 2. Paxton and I are ready to get drawing, are you?
Yes.
All right, let's get started.
In the center of Seattle, Washington, sit 3 glass spheres of pure space. The spheres are made of steel, clear glass, and are supported on a thick concrete base. The largest sphere is 90 feet tall and 130 feet in diameter. The glass facade has a geometric pattern from a shape found in nature called Catalan solid. If we take a peek inside the Amazon spheres, we will find over 40,000 types of plants from all over the world. The plant species are from cloud forest ecosystems, which have cool and humid conditions. But why bring all these plants into the spheres? Well, this space is for employees to have a direct link to nature while working in a busy city. Do you think these Amazon spheres filled with rare plant species and waterfalls feel as if you are in the Amazon rainforest?
Okay, in order to get started, as always, we'll begin with a ground line. The ground for the Amazon sphere is actually sloped. So we will draw a sloped line today for the base of our building. We'll start a little bit higher up than we usually do on the left side of our page. We'll draw a small flat spot, and then we'll draw a sloping line down to the lower right-hand side of the page. Great. Next, we will draw the spheres. The Amazon spheres are made up of 3 round spheres. We have a large one in the middle and then 2 smaller ones on the side. The middle sphere and the side spheres both go under the ground line. As we draw the spheres, you'll notice that the circles will go under the ground line. Watch us as we draw. We'll start with the middle, and that is the largest sphere. Next, we will start with the right sphere. This sphere is a little bit smaller, and it too goes under the ground line. You'll notice that the right side sphere intersects the center sphere, or it crosses over. Okay, we'll do this one more time on the left side. This sphere will be the smallest of the 3. It will cross over the middle sphere and cross over the ground line. Great. Okay, now we will use our thick black pen to begin to outline the building. First, we will begin with our ground line. Go ahead and outline or draw over your ground line. Okay, next we will outline the spheres. We're not going to trace over all of the red lines. We're going to stop where they intersect or they touch each other. Then we will continue on. Watch us and pause the video if you need to follow along. There we go. We have the outline of the building. Next, we will grab a thin black pen to draw the outline of the spheres. Since they intersect, they create a curved line in between them. We'll start on the left side and we'll finish tracing the small circle until it touches the ground line. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Great. Now we will create and color the foliage and the glass that make up the spheres. We have 2 different colored green pens or markers and a blue marker for the glass. We will begin with our darker green color, and we're going to make the trees that are inside of the sphere. In order to make trees, what we will do is we will make small M shapes that are regular direction, sideways, upside down, to create what we call a canopy. They're all going to be at the top side of the sphere. Watch us as we draw and follow along. Now we will switch to our lighter green marker, and we'll follow and color just underneath the darker lines to create some different shade and shadow of the tree and foliage colors. Great. Last, we will use the blue marker to color the glass. Now we're not going to color in the circles completely with the blue marker to create the glass. We're going to use a technique to just draw lines which would represent the glass. Let me help you, Pax. So what we'll do is we'll create diagonal lines going across the page to represent the glass. All right, Paxton, that was great. That was fun drawing those spheres. Do you want to show everybody your drawing? Excellent. What was your favorite part about the spheres?
I like doing the trees.
Yeah, the trees make this building really special. All right, well, thanks for joining us for Dream and Draw, and we'll see you next time.